Hi kids, welcome to Kids Learning AF. Where is the dog? Let's look together and learn prepositions. Where is the dog? Dog is on the table. Where is the dog? Dog is in the box. Where is the dog? Dog is behind the box. Where is the dog? Dog is in front of the box. Where is the dog? Dog is under the table. Where is the dog? Dog is beside the table. Where is the dog? Dog is between the box and table. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kids Learning AF. See you next time.